What are you guys doing on the 1st of February? It's 44 degrees, I think, outside. I got a nice warm fire going. Melting some wax. And rolling some foundation. That's what I like it to look like. That's how it comes. You can barely tell there's any wax on it, and that's supposed to be heavy wax. I call that heavy wax. Got a couple that I'd call that like extra heavy wax, where I've got it down into the cells, but they'll dig that out and reuse it. I don't mind it, but that's the way I like them to look right there for throwing on them in the spring. Red maples are just about to pop here in southeast Tennessee. And once that pops, it's on. Got a bunch of boxes sitting over here with drone comb already in it, ready for just to sit on top. And once the major flow starts, and I'll be throwing all of these on it. Got about I don't know, maybe 100 and I think this rack thing holds 144 frames. I've got about probably 120 on it so far. Got, well, let's see, I got a stack over there. I got a stack of frames there to put foundation in. I got a little stack here. Got a stack there. If you haven't got your foundation waxed, or if you haven't got your frames together, you need to get it done, because March is going to be on you. People down south further than me, going to be on them a lot quicker. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Enjoy. Happy beekeeping.